is up, YouTube? How's everybody out there doing today? I hope you guys are having a freaking fabulous day. We are in a C7Z06 that's been at the shop, and we're currently loading up the laptop so we can do a dyno tune on it here at Keith's Pit Stop in Gettysburg, Pennsylvania. Yeah, we don't need it yet. I'll let you know when we need it. I ended up taking the meth system that was on this car, putting an Alki control system on this car, which is a much better meth system in my personal opinion. So huge shout out to Alki Control for making such an amazing product. And yeah, we're getting ready to do our thing here. Click on that, click on our beta HV tuners here. We got Sky. He'll be doing some videoing of the car outside. It is a pretty car. Batman themed, as you guys can see right here. I don't know, hold on, there we go, Batman themed. A lot of red, whole bunch of red. What do you think there, Skylar Max Weaver?
I like it.
He likes it. Oh my god, where's my cursor at? Found it.
Hey, do you guys need the fans?
Yeah, we're gonna need the fans eventually. All right, so we're gonna download the tune first, write the tune, do some pulls and see what happens. All right, we have written a tune. We're gonna do a first pull here and see what she does. See if she runs a little lean, a little rich. Perfect. See if she makes any horsepower, see where the boost is at. See what happens basically. Hopefully it's all good and we don't run into any issues. And then we'll be adding methanol injection to it and see what the meth does. Hopefully the meth adds some substantial gains in horsepower and torque. But we'll see. These C7Z06s really respond really good with methanol injection. So we're going to hope for the best here, guys. We're going to hope for the best. Getting ready to write the TCM controller. This is an automatic, as you guys can see. So I'll go ahead and write the 8-speed automatic as well. Then we got to turn the fans on. Get this thing rolling, see what she does. She does have an intercooler on it too, or intercooler or something I seen up front, so should be interesting. Yeah, I don't know what this thing's gonna do, so just keep an eye on the wideband. I'll keep an eye on Spark, and we'll go from there. Sound like plant stand?
Yep.
All right. Let's see what happens. Like a clean run until it's spun. Yeah. Well, let it run on my spray. Alrighty. 15 pounds. We've got 15 pounds. I don't know what the power number was, but we definitely got 15 pounds of boost. A little over 15 pounds of boost. We had a little bit of spark knock at the very, very top, but everything seems to be kosher. It spun, so we didn't get a good reading. It did spin on the dyno bad. Like, you could hear it spinning. In the video, you can hear it spinning, so whew. We're gonna do some changes. I'm gonna do some changes here. Probably richen her up a little bit because I think it was running a little on the leaner side, and then keep going here. I think it was just the spark knock was because it was spinning. Is what that was.
Yeah, she was spinning.
What was the horsepower number? 520.
547.
Yeah, she was definitely spinning. All right, guys. Well, the Hellbat did a good job. We're gonna start adding the methanol, but she made 642, 702 torque right there. A little squiggly, but we're gonna mess with the fueling and all that fun stuff here as we're introducing the meth system, or the methanol into it. Ugh. So it should be interesting. But we got the boost juice. I don't use boost juice, I use the M1, but the customer brought boost juice, so we're gonna be using the boost juice. All right, so we adjusted some timing, we adjusted some fuel. It is having a misfire on the dyno, which could be a number of things. This car came to me with like a whole bunch of stuff done to it already, to be honest. So I don't know what's going on, but there is a misfire. But even with a misfire, guys, it's putting down 658 horse, 752 foot-pounds of torque at the wheels. Right there, guys. Air fuel's looking decent, a little rich in the beginning, but it leans out. Little lean on the top end, up about 6,500, but it's not really making power up to 6,500. It's making power to about 62, which air fuel's definitely good there. So I'm not really going to mess with that because there's no point in, you know, going that high in the RPM range. But the car is, I mean, you can feel the misfire and it's still making well over 600 horse and a hell of a lot over 700 foot-pounds of torque. So that is no joke power right there, guys, on the methanol. No joke power. All right, we're gonna do one more pass. We've definitely got some work ahead of us. Probably need some spark plugs, but he's been saying that he's got some NGKs in there, so that the last person put in. So we're gonna do one final pass. Everything's working good except for misfire, which we're not gonna be able to diagnose on the dyno, obviously. We're just gonna verify everything and make sure we're still good to go. And then he'll be back for us to really kind of go through it more. But everything's working, so that's a plus. 165. IET 63 degrees.
Send it.
163. It's slowing down a little bit. Let's get her up to like 170 at least. Hear it a little bit misfire, you can hear it now. Yeah. 167. IET 64 degrees. Alright, man, let's give her all 16 PSI. You're good. We're gonna see here, guys. It's definitely missy fire. Yeah, you hear it? Did you see any puffs of smoke coming out the back? A little bit, yeah.
It's fixed before you can do it.
What's up?
That is fixed before you can do it.
Yeah. Let's take a gander.
It's getting worse.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a little down. 646. 735.
Yep.
Air fuel's looking good though. I'm happy with air fuel. $6 grand.
I tried to hit that one a little lower.
Yeah, I've seen. Yeah, it richened up down there. We're good too. Well, guys, that's not bad. 650s, 750s torque with a misfire that needs to be addressed, which will be getting addressed, correct? So not a complete dyno day, but we're there. We're there. So something's going on with these sparky plugs down here, boss. Yeah. And I don't know what it is. It could be the MSDs, maybe. Yeah. I'm not a big fan of the MSD wires, to be honest. I wish we could do them now, because I would, to be honest. I would do them now, but you know how much of it's a pain in the butt to get to this side of the engine bay. Right. So
I'll bring it back to you in a month or so.
Yeah, I mean, here's the thing. It's safe to drive. Yes, it has a misfire, but it's safe to drive. And the benefit is it's been how long since you've had this car?
Almost a year.
Yeah, almost a year. So you'll be able to at least drive it, enjoy it a little bit. You can beat on it. I would try not to be honest. try to keep it to a minimum. We obviously can't tune the E85
Right.
because of the misfire, so that's got to be addressed. It won't take, you know, when you come back, it's not going to take long to do plugs at the shop. Obviously, we'll have all the equipment there and everything. I would probably go back to stock spark plug wires though.
Okay.
I probably would get these MSDs off, go back to a stock spark plug wire. That's what I would do. His hood almost fell down. But everything's staying cool, which is really nice.
You said the IATs were what?
70 degrees. Well, on that last run, it was like 64 degrees.
Oh, sweet.
Yeah, 64 degrees, and it's 44 degrees out right now, so that's not bad. And even, you know, even the hat is relatively cool. It's not hot, but it's relatively cool. You know what I mean?
I remember it being a lot hotter than that before.
Oh, really? Without the bottle? That's a Cords bottle, isn't it?
Yeah.
Cords. Yeah, that's Cords Performance. Yeah, not too bad, not too shabby. 650, 750 torque at the wheels.
Yeah.
I'm not going to complain about that at all. That's pretty decent.
She'll be fast enough.
Well, another happy customer leaving. Another happy customer leaving. Now we're waiting for our ride to show up. He's gonna have some fun with that, but he's definitely gonna bring it back and have me fix any little issues that's left with it. But right now it's good to go. He hasn't seen the car in a long time, so it was at a couple other different places, you know, and he wanted it done, so it was a quick, easy thing for me to do. So I wanted to get it done for him, you know what I mean? Watch, he's gonna put the window down and he's gonna be like, why is all my traction lights on? Watch. That's what it was. So when you run these cars on the dyno, the front wheels aren't moving, but the back wheels are moving. So all the traction lights come on these things, and customers get freaked out a little bit. They're like, oh, my lights are all on. But I have to explain to every customer who comes here with a C7 or a ZL1 Camaro or a 6-gen Camaro, or even a 5th-gen Camaro, and some of the older vehicles like Cadillacs and stuff like that, that these lights will come on, but they go off like by time he leaves the parking lot, these lights will be off and he'll be on his way back home. So, and this kid's trying to stab me with his pokey stick, his self-made pokey. Wait, he's trying to shank me, man? This is the new popular kid of the channel, because Zach's in California, so my older boy. If you're new to the channel, he's in the Marine Corps. My older boy's in the Marine Corps. This is my younger kid. So you'll probably see a little bit of him in the videos throughout the summer now, compared to...
Finally!
Oh, shut up, man. There he goes. There he goes. That's a cool car. Definitely is a cool car. But be careful, buddy. 750 foot-pounds of torque ain't no joke. Well, guys, I think that's going to be the end of the video. Yeah, that's going to be the end of the video, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed some dyno footage. Hopefully you enjoyed it. It's been a while since I've been up here at Keith's Pit Stop, but hopefully you guys had a good time. We're going to do some more videos here shortly, and hope you all have a great day. Skylar, say bye to all the beautiful fans that we have on YouTube. Okay, yeah, anyways. Other than that, guys, hope you all have a great day. Instagram, Diablo Formula Racing. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, and do it for the youngsters here. Do it for the youngsters. Okay. Deuces, guys.